It's a Saturday morning. We made it to the bagel place. If you like bagels, this is where you need to go.
Last time I got the strawberry bagel with the jalapeno. You can choose the bagel and then you choose this. You choose whatever you want to add on.
Okay.
But like you can like create your own one too. Like last time I just say, oh I just want egg on the bagel. Like sunny side up egg on the bagel. That's it.
Okay. So I'm here with the girls, both of them back there. We are visiting the Cadillac Ranch. There are 10 Cadillacs over there. I don't know the significance of it. Yeah, there's that truck over there that you can buy the spray paint from. You can make your own design. You can see people are doing some graffiti artwork on these cars.
Are you recording us? On my camera?
Yes, we are being recorded right now. We're at the Sawmill Market. Thanks for holding the door, Mincho. She never holds the door for me. She never holds the door for me.
I know.
You just walk by and then the door closes on me. I gotta open it myself. So we just finished eating at the Sawmill Market. There's a bunch of vendors and restaurants in there. Now we're at the Rustic Bubble Tea Cafe. This is one of the better bubble tea places around here. So here we are. We're gonna try it out. So right now we are at the Sandia Mountain. We are going for a small hike, as much as tolerable. We're probably gonna walk for like 5 minutes and head back. You guys want to take a picture here and then we can walk back?
Like picture of 3 of us. We can ask people. Oh, not people with a dog though.
It is around like 4 or something right now. You see this shadow right here in this background? Imagine if you do some like interesting pose, like, and then you just take a picture for yourself with the shadow and the background. I'll show you what a picture like that looks like right now. So you don't really have to walk very far. Honestly, we've been walking for maybe like 5 minutes now. And look at this view. You can literally see the entire city. So the top of Sandia Foothills is up there. That's gonna take a little bit. You don't have to go up there. It's optional. You probably get better views, but if you aren't in the hiking mood, you don't have to go all the way up there. Just stop here. I don't think we need reservation.
We don't have 6 hours. It's fine.
We'll stay for 1 hour. As soon as the sun sets, we're dipping. Feeling really fancy tonight. Wow.
Cool.
Oh, it feels good.
Send you guys a server over.
Alright, thank you. But is that a cake or is that like just like 2 ice cream?
What do you think?
You guys want to say something? It's been a great trip.
Looking forward to tomorrow.
Interview her.
She has stomach issues. We're gonna go to Walmart.
Alright, so we just made it to the Best Western Motel or Hotel. I'm not sure which one it is, but who cares? Let's find my room. So I have a YouTube channel. Will you subscribe?
What's the name?
Podiatry Chronicle.
I'll subscribe. I don't watch watch anything on my subscription list, so it's fine.
Okay.
I'll subscribe.
Great. This motel serves free breakfast, so we are going to get some breakfast this morning before we head out. Ojo Caliente. Starbucks.
Latte. Matcha latte.
I'll just get the pistachio frappuccino.
It's Valentine's.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Valentine's gift. All right, now we're off to Santa Fe. Santa Fe, woo! We are at Target at Santa Fe, where everything looks like clay.
It's so small in the camera. It's also really small.
So we just made it to Ojo Caliente, where we're gonna have, where we're gonna be soaking in thermal pools, which are gonna range in different temperatures. All right, so there's a bunch of pools around here. There's the locker rooms. This is the mud area. Please rinse off completely before leaving the mud area. What happened? What happened? Mean Joe, this is it. This is what you asked for. You wanted mud. This is mud right here. So you're supposed to let the mud dry first, but it's too cold for that. It's way too cold for that. Oh my god. I'm just gonna be here.
We were expecting more like. I have faith in wood.
Stop. I see mud bath. I need to go. But look at the views. Mountain. Okay, so there's a bunch of pools here. This is the iron pool. This soda pool. Water from the soda spring is believed to relieve digestive and arthritis problems. What's the verdict?
Caliente, no bueno.
No bueno?
Sí.
¿Por qué? Es muy
Es
cold?
muy pequeña.
Frío? Is it frío?
Necesita más mountains.
We have made it to Santa Fe Plaza. We're gonna get our bubble tea first, and then we'll walk around, explore the area, eat some lunch, burgers. Heading to Del Charro for some burgers.